Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sreekumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, let us think about linear equations in two variables. Before that, let me remind you, or let us revise the linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable you studied in 8th standard. Linear equation in two variables you studied in 9th standard. But before that, you studied about algebraic expressions, which was the beginning of the concept of unknown quantity, which can be represented with alphabets. Numbers, alphabet, mathematical operation, all these things together we named as algebraic expression. And we know that there will be a coefficient, like just like 6 in this case, then variable, jiska value kuch bhi ho sakta hai, like x in this case, and constant, which are having fixed value. All these things are known to you, but just revising it. And when it comes to algebraic equation, there will be an equal to sign. This also you know very well. Now, there is another term concerned or connected with linear equation and algebraic expression and algebraic equation is solution to the algebraic equation will be what is the value of x in this case. So we find out x by different methods. We learned different arithmetic ideas by which we can find out solution. Here it is done quickly for you. We know the value of x in this case is 6. You can pause the video and check that or recollect what you learned earlier, and you can take a pause over here to know that you should remember coefficient, variable, constant, algebraic equation, solution, etc. And and linear equation means the equation which is having a variable and its degree is equal to 1. Degree is nothing but the power of the variable there, and when we show it in graphically, we know that it will come in the form of a line. That is why we name such equations as linear equation. Linear equation के नाम में भी LIN है, मतलब linear equation line graph देते हैं. And you have to create a graph of linear equation in two variables this year. And meanwhile, I told you about degree. This degree is nothing but the index what we show here. It is this case it is 2 bottom left side, and in this case it is 3, and in the given case 6x plus 8 degree is equal to 1. Here it is degree is equal to 1. So all such equations which are having a variable with a maximum index 1 is named as linear equation, and you are having quadratic equation in the coming next lesson is I think on that only. So this is a basic concept of linear equation which you have already studied, just recollect it. Okay, now when we go ahead, linear equation in two variables where you are having an equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing in the variable is 1. Such equations are called linear equation in two variables. Equation linear है, peculiarity है, two variable है, or the same condition, degree of each variable is maintained as 1. The most general form of such an equation is x plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is familiar to you. And if you are writing about an example, also you know to you. And another important thing is in this case of a, b, c, a, b are not equal to 0 at the same time. क्या होता है अगर a या b अगर 0 हो गया तो वैल्यू 0 हो गया, फिर वो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल हो जाएगा. अगर किसी भी एक a 0 हो गया तो ये पूरा क्वांटिटी, लुक हियर, दिस पूरा क्वांटिटी 0 हो जाएगा. तो फिर by प्लस c ऐसा हो जाएगा, c इज ए कांस्टेंट, तो by प्लस ए कांस्टेंट इज इक्वल टू 0, मतलब वो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल में आ जाएगा. So that way it is. Okay. Now here is an example for a linear equation in two variable 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is a general form of linear equation in two variables. It can be rearranged and written like this also, no problem. So in that way, you have an idea about linear equation two variable which you have already studied. Now I have revised it for you. You can once again pause the video and recollect and remember what I learned about linear equation in two variable till this time and till last. Okay, let us go ahead. Another concept you should remember is about simultaneous equation, just like the name indicates, equation at the same time. What is that same time? Two linear equations are there and two variables are there, जो अभी already हमको मालूम है, and we are considering two linear equations at the same time. Then we call it as simultaneous equation. You are having an example here from my side to understand how to deal with simultaneous equation. There are various methods of solving simultaneous equation. You are having algebraic methods and graphical method. Both you will be learning this chapter. There is another method called method by determiners. These things will come one after another. These are all techniques in algebra to solve situations. So elimination method, as the name indicates, we have to remove a particular term from the equation itself to solve the equation. Here the equation given to you is 2xy minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. The method one, which is named as elimination method, we have to eliminate any one of the term from here. The first equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. Second equation is x plus y is equal to 4. What I am trying to do is, I could observe that the coefficient of y in both the equation is 1 in the case of y. ये जो लिखा है ग्रीन कलर में आपको लिखना नहीं है एग्जाम में, रिजल्ट में या किधर भी आंसर में, ये आपको समझने के लिए है. Here I could observe that the coefficient of y in both the equation is 1. तो मैं सोचा कि अगर मैं ये दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा, माइनस वाई प्लस आ जाएगा. नेचुरली ये माइनस वाई प्लस वाई होने की वजह से y एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. 3x is equal to 6. और ये तो सिंपल लीनियर इक्वेशन हो गया and x is equal to 2. Then I will go for substituting the value of x in the equation. I will substitute in the equation x plus y is equal to 4, which is my second equation. उसमें x की जगह पे 2 डाल दिया, so I will get y is equal to 2. The equation solved, we got both x and y, and we write x comma y is equal to 2 comma 2, where it is in order. This first one is of x and second one is of y, a ordered pairs, but here both are equal to 2, so 2 comma 2, because these are to be written in this format, please remember. So that is about simultaneous equation solution by elimination method. There is another way of solving the same question. I will show you. The method is named as substitution method, in which you will be substituting one in the case of other. Same question, 2x minus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 4. Now we will try to write the value of y in terms of x. मतलब y is equal to पहले find out करेंगे. Any one of the equation. कौन सा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन लो या सेकंड इक्वेशन. इसमें सेकंड इक्वेशन लेना इजी है, लेकिन मैं फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ले रहा हूँ. इधर 2x minus 2 is y is equal to 2, तो मैं y को लेफ्ट साइड में रखा, माइनस y is equal to 2 minus 2x. नेक्स्ट x में मुझे वो y का माइनस साइन निकालना है, so I multiply with -1 to change the sign. ये ग्रीन कलर में लिखा, आपको लिखना नहीं है, सिंपली स्टेप लिखना है. So naturally you will get y is equal to 2x minus 2, and we got it y का वैल्यू x का टर्म्स में मिल गया, y नहीं है अभी, y is equal to 2x minus 2. तो y के जगह पे हम 2x minus 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे सेकंड इक्वेशन में, तो क्या हो गया, y is equal to 2x minus 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, y को हटा दिया. तो all these equation now it became just like a linear equation having one variable, or we can restructure it in such a way that x plus 2x minus 2, all the operations are either addition or subtraction. Apna Bodmer's principle mein you can open the bracket and you can see that 3x is equal to 4 plus 2, ये minus 2 को अगर इधर डाल दिया, 3x is equal to 4 plus 2, 3x is equal to 6 and you got the answer x is equal to 2. हमको मालूम है आंसर सही है क्योंकि हमने ऑलरेडी इसका आंसर एलिमिनेशन मेथड में फाइंड आउट करके रखा है ना. x को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, सेम मेथोडोलॉजी, x को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे इक्वेशन 3 में. कौन सा हमारा इक्वेशन, जो नया इक्वेशन डिराइव किया था y के टर्म्स में. हम पीछे नहीं जाएंगे, इधर जाए. हियर y is equal to 2x minus 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, x का वैल्यू है 2, naturally y is equal to 4 minus 2, you got the answer for y. तो y भी मिल गया, x भी मिल गया, and we will write the answer, the value of x and y will be written in the order 2, 2. That is the solution. So my dear student, this is substitution method where we are substituting 1 in the case of 1. Now your textbook is having solved example and examples to solve. A methodology will be taught. This is from your textbook. Textbook का copy किया है मैंने, just to show you that what is there in the textbook. Textbook is giving an equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, 5x minus y is equal to 18. There are two equations. We will name the equation. It is named as 1 and 2. And equation is getting solved by eliminating y. Y को eliminate करना है. इधर 2y है, इधर minus y है. तो 2y को निकालना है तो इसको भी 2y करना पड़ेगा. So it is better multiply the second equation by 2. तो वो करेंगे. That is what is given. इधर आपको लिखने को बोला है टेक्स्ट बुक में, तो आप इधर 2 लिखेंगे. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं सेकंड इक्वेशन के. ईच टर्म इन द सेकंड इक्वेशन, मतलब 5x को माइनस y को और 18 को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. एंड वी आर गेटिंग 10x. 5x into 2 became 10x, 2y and 36. This is our third equation. Remember, हमको एक नया इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, सेकंड इक्वेशन दिया है, थर्ड इक्वेशन हमने डिराइव किया. So now we will add the first and third. What is the first? First one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. इसको नीचे लेके आएंगे. उसके साथ नया मिला हुआ ऐड करने का है. 10x minus 2y is equal to 36 ऐड करेंगे. एडिशन के टाइम इधर ध्यान दे दो, प्लस 2y minus 2y हमको मिल गया एलिमिनेट करने वाला. अभी y का टर्म्स में आंसर में कुछ नहीं होगा. x का होगा 13x, 29 plus 36 65, x is equal to 5. अभी x मिल गया. x मिल गया तो जैसे सब्स्टिट्यूट x is equal to 5 in equation number 1. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन यही है, उसमें x के जगह पे हम 5 डालेंगे. x के जगह पे 5 डाल दिया तो that became 15 and 2y is equal to 29. और we will go ahead, 2y is equal to, इसको ट्रांसपोज किया तो naturally प्लस become माइनस, इधर माइनस हो गया, minus 15. 2y is equal to 29 minus 15 which is equal to 14. y is equal to 7 और आपको y is equal to 7, इधर y के टर्म के जगह पे y के जगह पे y, अरेस के जगह पे जो पहले मिला हुआ 5. This is the solution in its order. So my dear student, this is from the textbook. It is solved for you now. You will solve it yourself. These are all for practice. Earlier example, this example, because you do the exercise. Another example is given to make you understand another concept in the case of linear equation in two variable. The example is 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. देखने में ही कुछ 17 15 का खेल चल रहा है. दिख रहे हैं ना, इधर 15x, इधर 15y, इधर 17y, इधर 17x. सीधा सीधा दिया नहीं है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ उल्टा पुल्टा दिया है. देखता हूँ क्या है. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऐसा है, सेकंड इक्वेशन ऐसा है. व्हाट वी कैन डू इन द टू इक्वेशन अबव, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x एंड y आर इंटरचेंज. हमारे नजर में आ गया क्या चालाकी किया है, इधर इंटरचेंज करके दिया है, तो हमको उससे फायदा है. While solving such equation, we get two simple equations by adding and subtracting the given equation, so that we can easily find the solution. What is it? Let us add the two given equations. How will we add? 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Add किया तो क्या हो गया? 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. मजा आ गया ना? वैसे ही आएगा ना, something like that. 21 plus 11. That means we could solve it simply. So we proceed ahead. Now we have dividing, we will be dividing both the side of the equation by 30. To say divide करेगा तो क्या मिल गया हमको? सीधा से x plus y is equal to 1 मिल गया. मजा आ गया वापस, क्योंकि third equation is so simple, x plus y is equal to 1, and we know that equation 2 from 1 we will be subtracting that. What is equation number 1? 15x plus 17y is equal to 20. Second equation is 17x 15y is equal to. Now first we did addition, now we will be doing subtraction. तो क्या मिलेगा? 15x minus 17x, here 17y, ये जो 15y minus हो जाएगा. So naturally everything will change its sign and add. We are having 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So we are having one more equation over here where we are having minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. What we will do? We will divide it with 2 and we are getting the fourth equation. दो equation उन्होंने दिया, हमने two more equation बना दिया, and we know that this will help us. We will add these third and fourth जो नया मिला है. One is x plus y is equal to 1. The other one is minus x plus y is equal to 5. मुझे मालूम है आपको अभी आइडिया मिल गया होगा. X और minus x देखे तो ही मालूम पड़ा. Now we can solve it. 2y is equal to 6 and naturally y is equal to 3. Now we can substitute the value of y in equation number 3. जिसमें substitute करेंगे y का value 3x plus 3 is equal to 1. तो naturally आपको x मिल जाएगा -2. तो अपना प्रॉब्लम ऐसा सॉल्व हो जाता है. सो algebraic मेथड से हम simultaneous equation को solution निकाल रहे हैं. You will watch the video again. मैं थोड़ा फास्ट गया, मुझे मालूम है, क्योंकि आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक की मैटर है और स्टेप वाइज दिया है. बार बार आपको वीडियो देखना है, बार बार टेक्स्ट बुक देखना है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के पहले आप इतना अच्छा से मैटर को समझना है. वीडियो से समझ लो, दूसरा वीडियो से समझ लो, टेक्स्ट बुक एग्जाम्पल से समझ लो. Until unless you are not thorough with the matter, what is the concept over here, don't try to go for doing the exercise, because वो exercise में आप रुक जाएंगे, वापस आएंगे, ये सब हो जाएगा. Exercise is to make you perfect and strong and expert. तो आपको रेडी होके करना पड़ता है. एक्सरसाइज कभी भी करके फायदा नहीं. So I request my dear students, you should go through the video once again till here before.
So now, my dear students, you got the idea how to solve the linear equations in two variables, and I am providing you this practice set 1.1, and that contains two set of questions. Both are comparatively easy, and the first part you have to fill in the blanks over there. The second part is having certain simultaneous equation. Spend time, only 8 questions are there, and do again and again until you get correct answer. And you can, if you have textbook, you can verify the answer. Otherwise, I will be providing you the answer key once the chapter is over. The point over here is, this is given for you to practice. Do it yourself perfectly, taking time, taking pain. Okay, thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.